Hey Divine Souls, welcome to Cosmic Tarot Express, your daily tarot guidance for all zodiac signs. Intent of this Tarot Express is to provide you your daily guidance within 3 minutes, right? Keep in mind, these are timeless readings again. So regardless of the day or date, this a particular reading might have been posted on our channel. If you are being called upon it, if you're being guided towards it or you're being called upon it, go ahead and check the message. You might find a great message for you for that day. Energies are always timeless, so do not hesitate to check on any video that you come across, right? And if the guidance helped you in some way and you feel that it might as well be helpful for someone that you know, do share the video and give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing so that you never miss an update from us. Check the timestamp for your sun sign in the description and in the pinned comments below, and I'll see you in your pile then. Okay, you are in a releasing energy at the moment, which is what I'm seeing. You're very active at the moment, like, active physically. You're feeling so much of that energy in you to do something, to make some things happen. You are in a get-goer kind of a mindset, and because of which you might be just coming across differences of opinions around you. You're being asked not to get too sharp-tongued, okay? Because you might tend to get into that conversation, the hard conversations. No, that's not needed. I'm seeing petty arguments there, just because you are so, at the moment, you just want things to be done immediately, and you just want to be right. You don't want to be, it's like that kind of an energy that I'm feeling. I'm feeling that it's too much of masculine energy, actually. That's what I'm feeling. Like, go get a kind of energy. Strong energy for you today, Aries, which is nice. So you've been guided upon, whatever is happening, it's happening for a reason. So this might be just cleansing. You are in a cleansing mode. You're cleansing things that are not important, that are not relevant in your path anymore, that are not necessary. This card actually, it is asking you to cooperate in restoring the harmony and balance in your life. As I said, that there might be some petty arguments, so just cooperate with the people around you, cooperate with the energies, and try to bring that balance and harmony back, okay? And here you're being guided for innocence. So this is a card which is actually talking about the childlike mindset. This is what you are being asked to. You're being asked to have that faith. You're being asked to have that unconditional love for people around you, and everything will be fine. Just target upon bringing the harmony back. You might be just going through that cleansing energy. So it might be like upheaval. You might feel that upheaval because, of course, the changes are there. You're being guided that whatever you're feeling at the moment, the arguments that you're coming across, the kind of strong energies that you're feeling, the masculine energies that you're feeling, the bold kind of energies that you're feeling at the moment, is just because you are going through a transformational change. You're going through some cleansing. Things that are not needed are just coming out of they're going away from your life. You're being asked to have that childlike faith in universe, childlike faith in God, childlike faith in time. Everything will be in place. So I wish you all the best, Aries. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Welcome, Taurus. Let's jump into your readings. Okay. You might be confused about something. You are thinking about which step to take. And for some of you, I'm hearing you are actually daydreaming about a relationship. And for some of you, you are daydreaming about your choice that you want to make. You are kind of procrastinating. You are trying to, analyze which is the best option for you. And that's happening because the energies are balancing. So, of course, the choices are coming in front of you, which choice to make. It's like a time of give and take, karma settling up, okay? So you might have gone through some phases in life, and that is the reason why you're taking time to take this choice. You are being asked to take choices that can be favorable for others also involved with you. Sacrifices might have been there. You might have to sacrifice your thought process or anything that you have on your mind, your idea, because of your loved ones, probably because but you are righteous. You need to be righteous towards whatever you want to, okay? Think according to others also. This is the guidance here, Taurus. Think according to others as well. Like, whenever you have to take a decision, take it by keeping in mind others' interest, right? Yes, that is the reason why you're daydreaming throughout the day. You will be in that kind of mindset, the cloudy mindset, because you are in a decision-making process somehow. The conflict of mind, actually, this is what you're feeling. Because of whatever this situation is, whatever the decision that you need to take, whatever you need to sacrifice, it's not like a sacrifice, like, you might have to sacrifice your ideas for some, maybe for a better reason, right? So I hope this makes sense to you, Taurus. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Welcome, Geminis. Let's jump into your reading for the day. Okay. What I'm seeing here is you might be feeling a lot of burden of meeting somebody from your past. You're taking it as a burden, but you're being asked to not to target upon something materialistic, okay? You need to think above you might be getting, some of you might be getting very, very materialistic or very, you keeping a very practical approach, wherein you need to keep a very emotional approach towards the situation. That is what I'm getting here. And I'm seeing that you might have achieved a lot in your past, but then somehow that achievements are now blocking your way to move ahead. You're being asked to get connected to your higher selves rather than getting into the materialistic mindset or on the 3D plane. You might be actually thinking about meeting a friend of yours, probably from past, but that is adding a burden on your mind, because you might be thinking in a very practical kind of mindset, okay? It should be on a spiritual level. If you really want to, if you'll connect with your past friends or relatives or your or anybody, whatever resonates to you, being a general reading. It can be for some of you childhood energy from your past. It can be some childhood talent that you might be thinking of, or you might be trying to meet your childhood friend probably, or you might be you might feel very childlike in the presence of that person, and that is something that you are actually trying to catch up with, but that is adding to a burden. You feeling that burden because of your energies are too much into 3D, okay, into the materialistic plane. You need to rise your energies to the 5D level. You need to come on the conscious level. You need to come on the spirit level, okay? And this, however tough it might seem to you, if you'll just channelize the energies as guided in this reading, this should actually help you a lot in your informing your day in a proper manner, Geminis. And yeah, the additional guidance again is saying that this is a blessing in disguise. It might be feeling like a burden, but this is going to be a blessing, because this is a happy companionship here, okay? 6 of Cups is a very happy companionship, and a very cherished one also. So I wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow for bye for now. Welcome, Cancer. Let's see what you have for your day, what cards have to say. Okay. All right. Spirit is asking you to be confident about whatever moves you're thinking of. Some of you, I'm hearing that you might be in that mindset of sacred union. For some of you, I am hearing that you might be thinking about your twin flame. I'm seeing that you are in that mindset. You are in a divine mindset at the moment, because you have picked up a lot of wisdom in your journey. You are in a sacred space mindset, right? If that makes sense to you. You are in a sacred mindset at the moment, and this is why, because you are very intuitive. You have been wise now throughout your journey. You've gone through things that have made you wiser. You've gone through challenges that have made you wiser. You've overcome all of them, making you wise enough to take a next move. Take that next move. If you need to talk to somebody, or you need to, I'm hearing, patch up with somebody. Some of you might be resonating to this message. Or if you need to offer something, offer your love to somebody, offer your comfort to somebody, you might be lacking a bit of confidence here. Spirit is here to guide you. Whatever it is that you're thinking of, have confidence and move ahead. Okay, you are wise enough to take this challenge. Whatever you are feeling very sacred at the moment. Although you're feeling very divine, you're feeling safe, but then not confident. Okay, whatever it is that you need confidence for, Spirit is asking you to have that confidence and move ahead, Cancers, today. Right? I'll see you tomorrow then. I wish you all the best. Bye for now. Welcome, Leos. Let's jump into your reading for the day. Okay. Wow. You're growing. You are growing, definitely. I'm seeing you've been flexible enough, and that's the reason why you're growing. You are in that, growth mode, and you can see yourself growing. You're liking yourself at the moment. Like, whatever you're seeing, you're liking it. You're growing, and you love your growth, and that's probably because of, for some of you, I'm hearing because of some significant lady in your life. But for others, I can hear that it's because of the achievements that you have. At the moment, you are in that abundant mindset, in that kind of abundance that you are living at the moment, which is making you feel that you're growing. Just recollect whatever has happened in your past and make them your experiences, the cherished experiences, the knowledge that you have attained. Yeah, move ahead. It's your time. Be honest with yourself with whatever you want to do. Just be honest with yourself. Be honest about your judgments about others, judgment about yourself. I'm seeing you are in a kind of, for many of you, I'm seeing that, I'm hearing that you might be in a luxurious kind of mindset, which is good. You are seeing yourself growing, but you should just keep in mind that grow in a right sense. Okay, if that makes sense to you. So yeah, I wish you all the best, Leos. It seems a nice day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Welcome, Virgos. Let's jump into your energies for the day. Okay. I'm seeing that you are in a mindset of stripping illusions. So whatever illusions might have been there in your life lately, you are in that mindset because you're growing. There are new opportunities in your life, and these are long-term opportunities. These are some new things are being presented towards you. You're very hopeful about it. I'm seeing that there might be some lady. You can seek for some kind of healing energies. Probably if you need them, you can ask for the healing energies. because this lady is capable of healing, making you capable of healing yourself as well. Like, the healing energies are very strong in this lady. I don't know, for some of you this is coming through, so I'm just saying that. Okay, yeah. And for others it might be the healing energy in you're being guided to do that. Okay, whatever healing you might require to strip these illusions that you might have been into. I'm seeing that you have been surrounded with energies that were not that healthy, probably not that not that bright, but then you have emerged from them like a lotus. But you need to always understand that you have emerged from them, because like a lotus, only because lotus can be there only in a pond of mud. It cannot be in clear water. Lotus, what I'm trying to say is, lotus cannot be in clear water, right? So you are turning out to become a lotus flower, like a lotus flower, because of these energies that were around you, right? So here's your additional guidance: the ocean. I'm again seeing a lot of green here, so healing energies are going to help you. If you are a healer yourself, try considering your healing, putting your healing yourself. If you are living near a sea or an ocean, you could just try visiting there. You might get those healing energies from the sea water. And for others who do not have that, you can also try pouring some sea salt into your bathing water, right? And that will help you cleanse the energies that might be here. So I wish you all the best, Virgos, and I'll see you tomorrow. Right, welcome Libras. Let's see what is there in store for you today. Okay, you're being very humble today. You're trying to ground the energies. You're being very humble today. You're trying to share your good things. You're trying to do some good deeds, because you've been hurt in past, and you really feel that maybe it was just because you might have not done that much of good, probably. So you're trying to balance those energies. You're trying to be so humble at the moment. You being generous to share your riches with others. You being generous, being able to do that also, because you are in that kind of position financially. You might be giving financial help or some kind of emotional help to people who need your help, or any kind of help that anybody would ask you for. You are being generous. You're being humble. There might be some past hurt in you. You're just trying to bypass that hurt by doing such deeds, which is a good gesture, no doubt. But then you're being asked to heal your heart. You're being asked and guided to heal your heart. Don't suppress your energies. But yes, this is not suppression. This is a kind of sharing. You really want to share. It's good. You feel happy about sharing. It's nice. It serves somebody. It serves you in return. But you just need to check your motives behind the sharing. Okay. So to achieve the best results. You can just pour in some green energies from the universe on your heart chakra, and that's your guidance for the day. Blue is the color that I'm seeing here for your day. It can be favorable for you today. Yeah, I wish you all the best, Libras. I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome, Scorpios. Let's jump into your reading for the day. Okay. All right. A kind of anger is showing up in your behavior. You're being asked to just calm down your energies by meditating. Give honor to somebody's advice. If there might be some people who are there around you, who would be this urges you to slow down a bit. This card is actually urging you to just slow down a bit. Okay. Yeah. Don't let the everyday life sap your energy in some way, okay? Because you know that you need this extra help maybe from somebody. You are considering it, because here again I'm seeing Three of Pentacles. Here this is Three of Spirals. So 3 is again a creative energy. I'm seeing that there is some creation that you're working upon. You really feel that you are kind of probably feeling that anxiousness because of this creation that you are working upon. You're being guided. Please don't let mundane things sap your energy. I am seeing here especially, and for those who have children, please be nice to your children, right? Don't give all that burden on them just because you are so much into that. I'm seeing that you can just curb upon your anger now when you have seen this reading. So I hope you are going to curb your anger throughout the day, Scorpios. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Welcome, Sagittarius. Let's jump into your reading for the day. All right. I'm seeing that you know your potential now. You really know your potential now. You've been working hard upon something and you have stood your ground, which is good. Now you have attained that wisdom. I'm seeing that you have attained that wisdom, that you are seeing the truth now. What needs to be done. I'm seeing you moving away from some things that are not needed anymore in your life. Things that are not helpful for you in your life. I'm seeing you thinking about, the truth of your life. Like, things that are important, that are of priority in your life. You really are you are aware now where to move on, what to think of, what is your priority. It's a bit of just a bit left now, because you've been standing your ground on certain truths that you really are there with, and you've been standing your ground on that. You have come quite ahead. Just a bit of it is left, and for that also you know where to give importance to and how to plan, and you know when to take that shift. You are just being guided to be a bit flexible and adaptable. Okay, law of attraction is working, so just pay attention on what you think. Okay, this is your guidance for the day, and I wish you all the best. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Welcome, Capricorns. Let's jump into your reading for the day. Alright, Capricorns, you are recovering from some kind of transformation I'm seeing here. This has been a big change in your life, which has actually helped you uncover many things in your life. And that's the reason why it's a kind of emotional release that you're having at the moment, but you're being asked to balance your energies, okay? The change is in direction here. So the change that is required has come across now. So you just do not, you would not want your energies to be stuck in one loss kind of mindset, because the sun is showing up here to let you know that there are new changes ahead, new directions are ahead. So just look forward, bring the balance of your energies back in your life. The emotions, let the emotions come in a balance to your actions, and just move forward, right? I'm seeing a golden and orange can be a very favorable color for you today, Capricorns. And yeah, I wish you all the best. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Welcome, Aquarius. Let's jump into your reading for the day. Okay. I'm seeing that you are thinking a lot. You need to clear the air. You need to just brush out the past. You are thinking so much that you're getting the sleepless nights, and you're getting sleepless nights because you are actually thinking too much about whatever has happened in past. You're dwelling in your mostly in your past and your future. You're not living your present like your present. You are blaming your present to be present because of your past. Like, you are in that kind of mindset, and that is actually adding on just the anxiety to you, and that is just giving you those sleepless nights, right? And you are being guided to just broom the negativities. Okay, might have created a lot of cobwebs inside your mind because you're thinking too much. You're being asked not to think so much now, and just immediately stop thinking. Just be in present. Just start living at the moment. This is the time. This is the perfect timing to live. Okay, just be in that perfect moment, because there are good things ahead. There is stability showing up here. But then because of the stuck energies, you just need to get rid of these stuck energies. You are thinking a lot. You're thinking a lot. Release that energy. This is the perfect time. Live it, okay? And angels are there for you. Guides are there for you to enjoy. So I wish you all the best for your day, Aquarius. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Welcome, Pisces. Let's jump into your reading for the day. Okay. I'm seeing some of you are trying to pick up with your studies. Some of you are going to start off some of you want to start off your own coachings, like, some kind of coaching plans. Some of you are thinking of starting your studies once again. You want to go for some courses, some online courses probably, or if you are a student listening to this video, probably you are thinking of taking some kind of I'm hearing overseas course for some of you. Maybe it resonates to some of you, because this is what I'm hearing. I'm seeing you are thinking in that, learning and teaching mode. And the others who have already grown from their learning phase, they might be planning out to make some courses, some designs. I'm seeing that you might be planning on to make some courses of your own. If you are planning on something like related to learning or teaching, if you're going to start off with some course, or you are going to design some course as a teacher, or if you're going to join a course as a student, in both ways I'm seeing this is a big turn in your life. This is a big shift that is going to show in your life. It might be a big decision, right? You just need to be assertive about it. Like, if you are planning about it, just be assertive of what you want, assertive of what you say to others, assertive about what is it that you're looking upon, right? This I'll just read out this card. I'm being called upon to read it, so I'll just read this one for you. This situation can be healed gently and with love, as you have requested. Yet there's also a need for your strength and truthfulness with the other people involved. So lovefully and gently you can handle it. Just be assertive of what you're about your needs, okay? We will stand right behind you as you speak your truth, giving you strength and guiding your words, right? So I wish you all the best, Pisces, with your decision and your day ahead. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.